So this is how you can fix the gray screen of the iPad. Let's get started. And if this is your first time being here on Foxtecc, consider subscribing for more and similar tutorials like this one. So if you feel like your iPad doesn't have like any color, it is most likely set up through the settings and it is part of the color filters, and you can find it to be part of the accessibility section, where if you scroll through the menus a little bit more, you should find the display and a text size. And as I said, color filters are most definitely in here, and if you have it turned on and set to grayscale, especially at the highest intensity, then it's gonna remove all of the colors from the iPad. So no matter what you do, you will not see any color even outside of this app, and essentially in every application and everything that you do. So you can of course turn off these filters or change it to something else if you find that more useful, but that's how you should be able to fix that, right? So that is something that you can most definitely do. Other than that, it could be caused by some glitch or something like that, even though it's not very common, but it would still make sense to check out the software update section and get the latest version of iPad OS if you feel like there are some glitches going on in this like color or display department. But that's something that you can definitely take a look at as well. But if your iPad doesn't work because it kind of like fell or there is some sort of physical damage, then of course these like software changes are not going to do much. So yeah, you wouldn't have to have that iPad fixed. But let me know in the comments below what exactly was the issue for you. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and similar videos like this one, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.